So today's topic is on injectables for brides-to-be, and if you are planning on having moisturized and glowing skin for your wedding day and beyond, I would suggest that you listen up. So a lot of brides choose to get married in the summertime hoping for lovely weather, but every month is bridal season. There happens to be more brides in the summertime, but every month is bridal season. And to help you avoid any last minute fiascos, I'm going to put together the ultimate bridal beauty guide for you. So depending on your age and depending on what you're looking for, and what bride doesn't want to have that gorgeous glow on the day of their wedding, I would suggest that part of the glow prep would start 12 months in advance, and that is when you would seek out somebody to organise and come up with a plan for the year ahead of your wedding to make sure that you have the ultimate gorgeous glow and your skin has a lovely bounce and that it'll reflect well where the cameras are concerned. In the aesthetic clinic in Clonakilty, I work very closely with celebrity facialist Sherna Malone. There isn't anything that Sherna doesn't know, and a lot of the brides come to her 12 months in advance to come up with treatment plans, bionic, peels, and how to prepare the skin topically. Then you can have injectable boosters. So depending on your age, not every bride wants or needs injectable boosters, but we're seeing a surge in new brides, depending on your age, who actually want to have that injectable glow, and it's a fail-safe way of making sure that you have that gorgeous glow to your skin the day of your wedding, and most importantly for the camera and the photographers, so that those photographs are going to look amazing forever. So about 8 months before you're due to get married, if you are interested in that injectable glow, I would suggest you either book in with us or come for a consultation with us so that we can come up with a plan, see what you're looking for, and see when exactly you can have your injectables. Sometimes clients will need more than one treatment of injectables, and we'll be able to plan with you in advance to make sure that you're looking your best for the wedding day. So 8 months before your big day, you've got 8 months to go. You're hoping to try out injectables. The best thing to do is to give yourself plenty of time prior to your big event. 6 to 8 months is a good time frame for us to be able to understand your concerns, your expectations, and to create a treatment plan for you and to get started for optimum results. We may well give you your first dose of injectable moisturizers, hyaluronic injectable moisturizers. We use the gold standard, Bellatera Revive, at that point because it's twice yearly injectables. So you could have your second one just before you actually get married. So that would be about a month before you get married, making allowances for your time to bruise. So 8 months before you get married, come and see us. 6 months before your wedding, you're well on your way with your treatment plan with your facialist, be it Sherna Malone here in the aesthetic clinic in Clonakilty, or whatever facialist that you have. You're having your regular facials at this point. You're probably having regular peels as well. And this lovely 6 month lead-in period now has got time for you to actually make some tweaks that need to be done and help with any complexion issues, that you've got time to actually do that whole turnaround and time for your skin to respond to the treatments you're having. So the treatments you're either having with your facialist, and we will also be able to see at that point how your skin has responded to the injectable moisturizer that we have done with you, Bellatera Revive. More often than not, most brides need to come a minimum of 2 times, depending on how your skin is. If your skin is amazing, you probably just need to come to us once, a mil on either side. But if your skin is not amazing, we may well have to give you another booster of hyaluronic acid injectables, probably between 2 and 4 weeks after you've had your initial treatment with us, and that will get you to the optimum level of that gorgeous bounce. And then you can wait to have your next injectable moisturizer with us a month before your wedding. And at this 6-month mark, if you are that type of person that needs or wants to start nightly application of retinol or tretinoin, it can take weeks and sometimes months to start seeing the effect of the positive effects of retinol, vitamin A. So therefore, 6 months outside of your wedding day is ideal, because vitamin A, retinol, tretinoin, whichever, can often cause dryness, mild irritation, flaking, purging in the first month. So starting well ahead of the big day will give your skin ample time to get adjusted. Okay, 4 to 8 weeks to go to the big day. Things are starting to ramp up. You're starting to see the love that you put into your skin for the last year. And even though coming to your appointments could be considered a labour of love, you will have, at that point, have your final peel, probably with your facialist, and come to us to actually assess to see if we can now give you another injectable moisturizer. You might only need 1 ml on either side, just to give you that final glow top up just before the big day. So that will probably be your biannual treatment that you've had done with us. So we would suggest that about 4 to 6 weeks in advance, because you've got to make allowances for bruising. Don't come to us a couple of days beforehand looking for an injectable glow. We have to make time to bruise. Not every client bruises, and very few clients bruise with us. And if you do get a bruise, sometimes it can be a really tiny bruise, but you gotta have made time to bruise, because you mightn't have bruised the last time, but you could bruise this time. So bruising is gone. It's usually a light bruise, but it's usually gone in about a week or two. So that is why we expect that you should have your final treatment with us for injectable glow, usually 4 to 6 weeks in advance of your big day. This is in conjunction with your facialist. We're very lucky here in the aesthetic clinic in Clonakilty, because I have celebrity facialist Sherna Malone under the one roof of us here in the aesthetic clinic in Clonakilty. So we work in tandem to get you looking amazing for your wedding day. So I hope that helps. Now, these are the guidelines of a lot of the Harley Street doctor celebrity facialists, the likes of Dr. Alexis Granite, whom we just, think is just amazing here in West Cork. And we would very much respect the guidelines that she would give. So if it works for her, well, then it's going to work for us, and it's going to ultimately work for you. So do you need to go to Harley Street? No. We've got 2 people under the one roof. So we've got Sherna in one room. We've got me to do your injectables in the other room. And we're here to be of service to you so that you look amazing on your wedding day. I hope that helps. Do reach out, even if you want to come for a consultation. The link for booking in for that is in the bio. Have a great day. Bye.